Hi, today I'm for the Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro, and I'll show you how to switch on and switch off screen touches in screen recording on this device. So first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you'll see here the screen record icon. Just tap to this icon to activate your recording, and before that you'll see here the show touches on screen switcher. Just click on the switcher, and now we'll just use the touches in our recordings. If you want to turn off this option, just click on the switcher before the start in your recording and then just tap to start. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.